John von Atkinson House, circa 1890, built in the Queen Anne style. This Victorian house was built circa 1890 on property formerly owned by George B. Neal. The property was later purchased by Samuel and Mina Davis Kahn. Mr. Kahn was a clothier whose shop was near the Blennerhassett Hotel. Upon the death of Samuel Kahn, his daughter, Rachel Kahn Leonard, inherited the property. Her husband was lost in a train wreck in Indiana, and she and her 11-year-old son, William Kahn Leonard, moved into the property in 1930 and subsequently turned the house into a triplex. William Kahn Leonard had a long career in public service. President John F. Kennedy appointed him ambassador to Tanzania and Yugoslavia. Some of Leonard's files and memorabilia are located in the John F. Kennedy Presidential Library and Museum in Boston. Stanley Vaughan of Vaughan Funeral Home later purchased the property and resided in the home for many years. The house features a 3-story turret with curved windows on the first and second floor and has hardwood floors throughout. The house also features 2 bay windows with stained glass and a stained glass window on the 3rd floor landing. It has 7 bedrooms, 2 kitchens, and 4.5 baths. The first floor has 3 fireplaces and the second floor 2. Features of the second floor include a moving wall with a built-in vanity.